Hey you all, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Today's video is going to be all about how to get ready quickly and be comfortable for your virtual meeting. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe for more beauty and personal style related content, and otherwise, let's get into it. Good morning, you all. First step is to stay caffeinated. Get your hair out of the way and apply a physical sunscreen. Physical sunscreens have blue light defense, so it's a great thing to pop on before your makeup when you're going to be staring at a computer screen all day. So now I'm just focusing on brightening up the under eyes using the Becca Under Eye Corrector in light to medium. Make sure you have baby wipes for this quick makeup because we are going to be using our hands. So I'm taking 1 pump of foundation and 2 pumps of any old primer and just smoothing that all over the skin just to even out my skin tone. Then I'm going to go in with a dab of concealer. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just blending that in with my ring finger. If you need a lot of coverage, feel free to apply more of a full coverage foundation with a brush. That also can be quite quick. But basically, since I've applied sheer coverage, I'm now taking a foundation powder. This one's by KVD Vegan Beauty, and MAC Studio Fix powder is also a great option for this technique. So with a small brush, I'm just dabbing on wherever I need to spot conceal. Now I'm taking the Honest Beauty Cream Blush, and again, this is something we're going to be able to use with our fingers. I did really go in, but you can use less than me if you're intimidated. So then I take a clean finger and just go ahead and blend that out, as well as spread a little bit over my eyelids to give a little bit of color. So you can see that blush spread out really, really well, actually. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Brow Wiz in medium brown and just look at the difference that having brows on makes. We're skipping highlight, face powder, and contour and all those extra finishing touches because this isn't about looking flawless up close or the look lasting all day. It's just about getting quick definition and vibrancy. So now I'm going to curl my lashes. If you have nice, long looking lashes that are curling or standing straight up, it really just makes you look so much more awake, and this is something that instantly makes me feel prettier and more alive. Now I am taking an old eyeshadow brush with a little bit of leftover product on it and just sweeping that in my crease just to get a tiny bit of definition and avoid creasing. So the Honest Beauty blush, I was like, why don't I try this on my lips as well? Because you can use a cream blush as a lipstick to create a cohesive look. But for my skin tone, I look washed out super easily, so I decided to go in with like a full coverage lipstick. So this is KVD Vegan Beauty Lolita, and I'm much happier with that. So now I'm going to go ahead and just fake a blowout. So I'm starting off with some dry shampoo and just brushing my hair out. Then I'm applying a 20 Benefit spray. This is just a moisturizing, heat protectant, leave-in conditioner type product. A clean part is really key to looking put together quickly. So kind of no matter how you have your hair, if you have a clean part, it just makes you look like you tried. So I'm using a 2-inch barrel. This one is by Babyliss, this curling iron, and I am curling the pieces around my face away from my face. And then I am alternating the rest of the sections. So you can see this section I'm curling towards my face, and I'm just going to mimic that pattern around the rest of my head. And this looks a little bit not like a blowout right now. It looks a little bit like just boring old, dated looking curls, but we're gonna brush them out, don't worry. So once you get your whole head curled, and this should only take a few minutes, You want to use something moisturizing in your fingers to rake the curls out. So I'm just using that same leave-in conditioner, just super quick, not using too many products. And then if you have a little bit of extra time, you can go in and refine your look a little bit. So I am just adding a little bit of curl wherever I feel like my hair is falling flat. So I love to take a flat iron or my 2-inch barrel curling iron and just curl the roots of the front sections down. This just flatters my face shape and gives a little more volume at the root, so it's a great technique. Then I'm adding a little bit of texturizing spray and just messing up my hair a little bit more and giving myself some more volume. Another thing you can do to look super put together is just do a quick half up, half down, pin back 2 pieces of hair and untuck whatever little bangs you've got going on. And now you want from the waist up to look put together, right? But when I'm sitting at home, I want to be really like warm and comfortable. So a necklace is a great way to look put together and style up a t-shirt a little bit, elevate the look of a t-shirt. And then, you know, over my t-shirt, I usually like to throw on a blazer, or I'll do a cami and a blazer, or a cami and a cardigan. It's just like my go-to is a necklace, a casual top, and then a jacket or a cardigan over top. You can mix and match to get a different look, but it's just a super easy go-to. And I wasn't really happy with that striped tank top. I thought it looked a little juvenile, so I put the white t-shirt back on with the red blazer, and I think it looks great with that teal necklace as well. Just fluffing up my hair a little bit, and that's it. I hope you take inspiration from this to be really comfortable, but still looking cute and put together for your Zoom meetings, and I hope you're all well and safe. All right, see you in my next video. Bye!
In this video, I'm gonna show you some Wow, the way the iPhone just made my lips look, that was like cuckoo.